How to use Facebook Messenger secret conversation on iPhone, iPad, or Android. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. Facebook's secret messenger feature allows users to talk to one another in a completely private and closed-off chat. Secret conversations enables two friends to speak to each other in an encrypted space which no one else, including Facebook, is able to view. The feature provides user with a device keys that ensure no one can sneak a peek at what they say to each other. If you want to enable secret conversation, the first step is to open Messenger app on your device, be it iPhone, Android, or iPad. Once you have opened the application, make sure to log into your account. Now open the conversation in which you want to use secret conversation. It can be an existing conversation or a new chat. Once you have opened it, you want to tap on their username at the top. That's going to bring it to this page. On this page, under More Actions section, you're going to find Go to Secret Conversation option. Tap on that. Once you tap on that option, it's going to bring you to a new conversation. As you can see, here it says end-to-end encrypted with a padlock sign. This means messages and calls are secured with end-to-end encryption. Now you can send a text and this will be in the secret conversation. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions or confusions, do let us know on the comment section and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.